Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one practice problem based on list. Okay, before that, one concept just I want to give you one idea, that is, you remembered I have discussed this in string also, that is in. Okay, so to check whether a particular element or a particular string is present as substring component of another string, we can use in. Like I have shown you hi uh, in, suppose I am writing hi joy. Okay, then if you run, we'll be getting true because hi is present as substring in string, and if it is not present as substring, you will return false. Okay, suppose hk, it is not present as substring, so if you run, you'll be getting false. So we can check whether a particular element or string is present in other string using in. In the same way, we can use in to check whether a element is present in a list or not. Suppose I am writing L equal to 50, 40, 12, 13, 69. Randomly I am taking. Now 69 in L. If we run, we will be getting true because 69 is an element. Suppose I am writing 78 in L. So if I run, I will be getting false because 78 is not an element, right? So like that, we can use in to check whether element is in the list or not. So based on this particular concept, I am just going to show you one example problem taken from lit code. Okay, so the problem number is 1346 and the problem title is check if n and its double exist. Okay, quite simple problem. And what it says, given an array ARR of integers, check if there exists two integer n and m such that n is double of m, that is n equal to 2 into m. Okay, more formally, check if there exist two indices I and j such that I not equal to j. Obviously one element cannot be double of itself apart from 0. Okay, then next condition is 0 less than equal to I comma j less than equal to array dot length, and array of I equal to 2 into array of j. This also has to be satisfied. Okay, suppose example 1, ARR equal to 10 2 5 3. So output should be true. Why? Because see, 5 double of 5 is 10, which is present here. Okay, here it is clearly explanation written. If you consider second example, 7 1 14 11, there is no such element for which double exists, is it? No. See, for 7 14 is present, 7 into 2 is 14, so output should be true. For this one, 3 1 7 11, there is no such element for which double exists, so output should be false. Okay, constant is given as 2 less than equal to array length less than equal to 500 and 10 to the power minus 3 less than equal to array of 5 less than equal to 10 to the power 3. So for solving this particular problem, to check whether array, that is double of array element, is present in the list or not, we can use in, the concept whatever I have discussed just now. So this is a function problem, no need to write the whole code. So class solution def check if exist, this is our function name, we are passing ARR list through our function. Output should be, or return type should be boolean. Okay, that is true or false. Now we are defining g, a dummy variable with 0 value. We will make it 1 as soon as we will find for a particular element if double exists. Okay, then we will traverse in our loop. So for I in ARR, okay, then what we will do, we will check if 2 into I in ARR. Okay, that is, we are checking whether double of the corresponding element is present in the array or not. Array is basically, you can treat as list for the time being. Later I will discuss array in Python, separate topic, but for the time being this is list. Okay, so we will check whether double of the particular element is present in the array or not, and simultaneously one more thing, if I not equal to 0. Okay, sometimes it may happen, suppose I am writing here one test case, see 0 comma 1. Okay, so when you are traversing in the list, first element will appear as 0 and double of 0 is also 0. So if you write only this particular condition, if 2 into I in array, then the particular condition will be satisfied. But obviously here this condition is not satisfied. See, I not equal to j, I not equal to j. So 0 is double of itself. So we suppose here one more 0 is present, then well and good. Okay, then that is output should be true. But for this case 0 comma 1 output should be false. Okay, because I not equal to 0, j will condition not be satisfied for this particular case. So that I am writing like this, and I not equal to 0. Then we are making g equal to 1 and we are breaking that because we no need to traverse further. L if, okay, very important. L if I into 2 in array, suppose double exists in the array, and array dot count 2 into I greater than equal to 2. Why I have written that? This is for handling the 0. Suppose you are having this particular array 0 comma 0 comma 1. Now when you are iterating or traversing in the list, first element you are getting at this 0. So see, for the first if condition 2 into I, double of 0 is what? 0 only. So that is present in the array, and I not equal to 0. So this condition will not be satisfied. So it will come to elif part. In the elif part, what will happen? 2 into I in array, double of 0 is present in the array, correct? But that should not be this 0. We have to check whether some other 0 is present or not. So for that, we can use count method to count how many times the 0 is present. Okay, so we can write like this: array dot count 2i greater than equal to 2 or not. Okay, multiple times it may present, but at least 2 times should be there. Okay, like here this condition, I hope you can understand. If these two are satisfied, then also g equal to 1 and we will break that. Then after the whole traversal, we will check whether g equal to 0. If g equal to 0, then we will return false. Else if g equal to 1, that means for a particular element double exists, whether that may be 0 or some other element, then we will return true. Okay, that's all. This is the simple code and simple application of the in, that is to check whether a particular element is a member of our list or not. We can use in. That concept we can apply here, and see status is success. That is, this particular code is applied and successfully compiled and executed correct output for all the hidden test cases also. Okay, so the same code I am going to post in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. The problem link I will be posting in the description box. You can go to that link and practice. This kind of problems are very important for placement process. And this is all for this video. I hope the concept that how to check a particular element is member of a list or not, this idea is clear to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.